Give it a good scrub. And I take one rag and I wipe the panels off around through here. Take another towel, it's a lint-free rag, and I wrap it around my wedge hammer. And I go around these edges and up behind here just in case there's any debris that may have got lodged in there. I just barely missed the middle. I don't. This cut is definitely close, so just take extra care to make sure everything is covered. The first pass I take it off with, we just use a squeegee with a soft blade, just in case we have to move it. It doesn't plant it, but it moves the water out from around the defroster lines. I try to flush the water over to the sides so it'll run down the sides to the pushing debris out from the top edge if it flushes it out. And just like that, that baby's done. Now, if you guys look through this back glass, you can see the beauty of that dehydra. It pulls all the water out. There's no puddling around the defroster lines or anything. And that's how we do it. A little Mazda CX-30. Thank you guys.